Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your speaker automatically starts or pauses the music. Firstly, I recommend to check if you have the latest software version. Open JBL Portable app. And of course your speaker should be connected with the app. It will open for you speaker menu, but if you are in the main menu, just tap at your speaker at the device list. Then scroll down and click at the product information at the bottom. Right here we have software update, so tap at this line. If nothing happens, meaning that you have the latest software version. If you haven't, you will enter to another menu and you need to click update at the bottom. Next, maybe the problem in your audio player application. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music. Firstly, remove this application from the application list and then open it again. And also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for this application and update if you haven't. Now, if both of these methods didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, on the front side, on your speaker, you need to find play pause button and volume up button. Then, press and hold this button simultaneously for at least 2 seconds. 1, 2, then you can release your fingers, and now we should reconnect the speaker with the phone. Firstly, I recommend to turn on it, so press the power button 1 time. Then go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then click forget this device or forget device or unpair or remove or something else, and forget device, and you will totally remove your speaker from your phone. If you try to reconnect the speaker, you tap at the speaker. On iOS, it will ask you to remove the speaker. On Android, it will show you connectional problem. So we need to remove it. And let's do this. After you remove your speaker, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth. Or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. Then you will see your speaker at the device list and you need to tap at your speaker. And we just reconnect them. If you want to reconnect the speaker with the application, you need to hide the settings, open JBL Portable and then wait a bit. And it reconnect to the app automatically. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!